Hey guys, it's LibraT125ES. I just got back from school, so today's Thursday, and guess what came in? Beyblade box. So I'm gonna open it. I don't know if it's Beyblades or string launcher. I do not know, and for some reason I can't open this tape. Hold on. Let me tilt it down a little more so you can a little more see. Okay. So let's open. Ow. This is pretty hard, I would say. There, I kind of got it. I'm sorry, I'm horrible at opening, boxes, so, yeah. Oh, holy guacamole. I'll just do that. So, yeah. Got it. Not really. I almost got it. Okay, I opened this horribly. Okay, how do I open it? Oh, got it. What the heck? Oh gosh. Oh, I saw something. Oh, would you look at that? Guess what it is, people? Flame Libra. Now, since we already unboxed it, or at least the box, we are going to open Flame Libra. This is my first unboxing video, so I'm so excited. Yeah! Oh, gosh. So here's the wonderful Flame Libra. My sister just got home, so she's talking to my mom. Okay, so here's the back, and here's the side. Here's the other side. And now, let's open it. Oh, it's already open. Oh wait, no it's not. This also needs to be open. Ugh. I messed up on opening that. Okay, so here. There's that. And here is the Flame Libra. It looks really cool. Okay, so let's open it. Oh gosh, yeah. Got it. That was pretty hard. Oh, beautiful. Would you look at that? Very shiny. Okay, I love this box. It's so tiny and small. I'm gonna put this in my collection of boxes up on my shelf. Beautiful. Oh, never mind. Okay. Okay, so here's Flame Libra. Here's the Facebook. Here's Libra. And here's Flame. And this is Beyblade on it. Right there. Okay, now let's open so here's T125. Beautiful. And here is ES. Eternal Sharp or something. Okay, so let's get to, wait a second. Oh, the stickers. Can't forget that. Cool. Okay. Let's see here. So here's the stickers. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this on the face bowl and then I'll be all done. So I think you can hear my mom laughing. I don't know. Okay, so this is all trash. Yes. Oh, and here's the tool. Yeah, okay. So I put the sticker on. Now let's put this Beyblade together. This is really fun because this is my first unboxing video, so it's like cool. Okay. Oh, I put that sticker on horribly. Okay, now let's put this on. Ugh. So here is Flame LibraT125ES. So yeah, this was uNbOxInG. Please make sure you like a video, favorite it, share it. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Tell me what Beyblades you want me to battle with, and maybe I'll do a battle between Flame and Libra. So yeah, bye. And I like this because it's my first unboxing video, so I want you to like it. So yeah. Okay, bye.